Okay, so let's move on to class. So last class we discussed about what is command line arguments, and so already we see right how to enter. Also, most of the people they are asking what is dollar question mark dollar zero, right, dollar ash. Spent. Can you see my screen? Is it visible?
So
Okay. So mostly
yeah,
just mostly they are asking 1 2 means that is common only. So mostly they are asking, so already last class we discussed, right, what is command and arguments, and so how to count it. So these are the mostly they are asking, so what is dollar ash, number of arguments, if anywhere, not in our shell scripting, if anywhere if you use dollar ash, so this is the what is number of arguments. Next, what is dollar star, already you know, it will print all command and arguments. We can use dollar at also we can use at also you can use dollar at, and so mostly they are asking, so this is the dollar question mark. Question mark means, so mostly what is dollar question mark means, to the status of previous command. So question mark represents exit code of the previous execute command, whether it is succeeded or whether it is failed. Success means 0 by default. So if previous command success means it will come 0 only. If previous command failed means we are getting some error code. Got it? So mostly interview they are asking these four only. Mostly they are asking these four only, and dollar zero also. Dollar zero. What is dollar zero? Script name, right? So what is dollar zero? Script name. Dollar zero represents script name. Clear, Hemant? Anyone any doubt, guys? Here,
yes, sir.
these are the mostly remaining and all simple only. Dollar one means first arguments, two means second arguments, three means third arguments. So how many arguments you passed? So that arguments it will print. Okay. And so today we are going to see how to read data dynamically. Last class just we started, right? How to read dynamic data from the user. So this is a script, right? So first come to here ls ls. Now let me create. So let me create one ss file, vid data, dynamic data dot ss file. Okay, ss file. So insert ash exclamatory mark, mm, slash bin bash. So it should be, the script should be executed which prompt, sh, right, bash only. Next, echo, right, so welcome to shell. Okay, just I given escape colon x. Okay, now how to execute the ss file, shells file, how to execute Hemant? So there is many ways we can execute, right? Many ways we can execute our file, SS file. So which is the default one? Mostly we are using this is the default form. Okay. The data dot sh file. So it is coming. So permission denied. This is the default one. And if you don't want to give permission, if you want to execute directly, we can use bin bash bin bash file name, bin bash space file name. What is the file name? What is the file name? Dot d data dot sh file. Now see here, welcome to shell. Just added one echo only. Just added one echo only. Now I want to read data. So if you want to read data, so we can give many ways. So there is one comes. See, by using read keyword, we can read data. We can read dynamic data from the end user. So here I am the user. I am the end user, right? So here I am the user. Now, so if you want to read any data, if you want to dynamically, if you want to read any data, this is the keyword read. This is the keyword. For example, a space bn, a comma b, a space, whatever you want. So a comma b. Now here, these are the variables. This is the keyword read. If you want to read data dynamically, if you want to read data dynamically, so read. This is a variable. So for example, I given a, read a. So now it is cursor will come next line. It is waiting. See here, waiting for user input. For example, here I am giving 100. Now see here. So now read a means it is asking prompt dynamic data. Whatever you want, we can pass it. So here there is no data types. Here there is no data types in shell scripting, and so everything it read as text only. Now see here read data. Now just print it. Dollar, echo dollar. Just I am giving a. What is the value? It will come Hemant. So already means now it is coming 100. Already we read. Already we set one declare variable, and this 100 it is stored into the a variable. Got it? For example, I am giving read b. See here. Now I am entering dynamic data 20. Now if you want to print echo dollar b, echo dollar b. Now what is the value? B value 200. Clear? Clear? Anyone any doubt? How to read data dynamically? So if you want to read data at runtime, if you want to pass any data dynamically at runtime, we should go for read. Read is the keyword, and we are giving so where. If you want to, we can pass two also. Read. Okay. X comma x space y. Now see here, x value 10, y value I am passing 20. Now see here, echo dollar x, and so if you want to print dollar dollar y value. See here, now like this also we can pass. Now this is I am passing only one. How to read this data in script? I hope you got it, guys. Anyone any doubt here? How to read data? If you want to read data dynamically, runtime. So what is the keyword? Read keyword. So read, and these are the variable name. Now, so already va space d data dot ss file, d data ss file. Now I'm going to insert. So I want to ask some message. See here, echo enter. Just I am giving some name. Enter your name. Okay. Now here, so variable name is I am giving name. Okay. I am giving name. Whatever you want, we can give it. So now see here, whatever you want, we can print it. And so I am giving here, and so read name. This is the variable name. This is the variable. Anything, whatever you want. Simply I am giving enter a value, read a. So that whatever we are entering value, so that store into the b value. Now see here, if you want to print, if you want to print, so how to print this? So now as of now, just I'm saving this file. Now see here, bin ss file. It is asking, see here, please enter your name. It is asking echo statement. I written one echo, right? It print enter. Now it is waiting for input, waiting for read name, right? So read name means we are passing something. For example, I given DevOps. Now see here, this is a prompt echo statement, and read name I given. Here variable name is name. It is stored into the so name. Whenever if we need, we can use call. How to print? See here dollar echo dollar name. See echo. So that is in print the program, right? So we need to execute. I am going to add va d data dot ss file. Now see here how to print echo insert echo simply. Okay. Given name is given name is how to print. If you want to print same dollar variable name. So what is the variable name here, Karthik? What is the variable name here? This is the keyword, right? Read is the keyword, and this is the echo statement. Please enter your name. Okay. And read, what is the variable name here? Anyone? What is the variable name? Which name I?
Name.
Yes, name only. That's it. Okay. Now escape colon x. Now see here. So bin bash d data dynamic data dot sh file sh file. Now enter, please enter your name. For example, here I am giving see a month. Okay. Now see here, given name is, so sorry, n is missing. Given name is month. Now got it. Anyone any doubt here? So blindly remember, if you want to read data in shell scripting, if you want to read data dynamically, and so which is the keyword, guys? Which is the keyword? Which is the keyword? Which is the keyword? Read is the keyword. So with the help of read, we can read data dynamically. So that's it. Apart from this, nothing. Whatever you want, we can try it. So now if you want to, now see here, I am giving two values. See here, hyphen n. If you want to pass like this with prompt, with current prompt also, it is, in this case it is going to next line, right? I don't want to go to next line, and that case we can use hyphen n, hyphen n. So that case we can use hyphen n. Now see here how it will work. So vi d data.sh. Now, so if you use please enter your name means, if I use please enter your name means the cursor will go to next line, right? Now I am using minus n. Now how it will work? See here, enter name. Okay. For example, I am giving student name. Okay. Now student name. Okay. Now I am adding one more thing. See here, one more line. Echo hyphen course name. Okay. Now read variable name, C name, course name I given. Now I am printing that one. I am printing echo. See here, echo. Okay, okay. Dollar C name, dollar C name. That's it. Now see here. So earlier, if you are not passing n means, now it will cursor will come to next line and it is waiting for user input, right? Now I am giving hyphen n. Now the cursor will waiting for the same line only. Now try to understand. There is nothing. Now, how to execute slash bin slash bash data dot sh file. Now see here, if I use hyphen n means the cursor it won't go to next line. It is waiting same line only. Please enter student name. For example, I am given Rama. Okay. Now course name Java. Just I given. See. Now see here. Given student name is Rama and given course name is Java. Now got it. So now what it will? If you want to, you don't want to go next line. You want to wait cursor only same line. That case we need to add hyphen n. Now got it, guys. See here hyphen n. So these are simple only. Just write. Now so now, so read I use right. So here I written two words. So first I given echo. First I given echo. So enter name I given, and so next line I given read, right? Read and variable name, for example a and all. So instead of passing two lines, see here I given echo statement and also I given a also. Instead of entering two lines, so there is we can use read hyphen p, and see here enter name, and this is the variable name. And if you want to, so see here password. So both are we can pass single. So what is the main purpose? So why you need go for right? If you want to decrease the code length, 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 now so that case read functionality. This is the I go for here. So there is many ors we can pass. Now where is that? Now see here read function is, this is one function, built-in function. is a system called Linux used to read data from your open file descriptor into the buffer. So whatever we want, so we can use that is the read command. Read function is the built-in function, and with the help of see here this we can pass many arguments where like in none. Okay, so if you want to manually, if you want to print same line, so we can use p read or so read hyphen p or read from the file. If you want to read data, so at a time, so this is the document only. Linux implementing this interface will be differ. So how it will work? So these are the p read and hyphen read, and we can give that file name directly. It will read the data. Read function shall attempt to read n byte data from the file associated with the open descriptor, whatever you want. So if you know something, we can go through this and read it. Now see here. So instead of providing, I am using vi, and so d data one dot ss file. So insert ash bin bash. Now see here. Here I am using a echo, and so enter name and given and read name I given, right. So here this is two lines I added, right. If you don't want to go next line, and hyphen use we are using. Now, so instead of writing two lines, simply if you want to write single line, so directly we can use there is one function, right? Read hyphen p and hyphen p, and see here, enter student name. Now directly here I am using name. See here, read. Now lines is decreased or not? Okay. Now see here, yes, C name, course name. That's it. Now see here, print. Remaining story same only. Echo is dollar name, same output. There is nothing. But how many lines I decrease? Two lines. Code length we can decrease. Dollar, dollar. What is the name? C name. Variable name, C name. That's it. Now see here. So directly we can use one echo statement and read and variable name. Instead of writing two lines, directly we can use read hyphen p. So this is the message, and it will come name. And so I am reading two variables data. Just I am printing. That's it. Clear, Hemant? So this way also we can pass it. Read hyphen p. So here so whatever you want we can pass. Directly it will come. So here note hyphen p means just it is display the prompt message. Here p is nothing but prompt message. Here s is nothing but so hide the input information. Suppose username, password and all. For example, username, password. So how to hide? First let me run this one. We'll exit. Okay. Slash bin bash file name d data one dot sh name. See here, enter student name. Okay, Siva. So course name DevOps. Now see here, given name is Siva, course name is DevOps. So here P is nothing but prompt message. Instead of writing two lines, so directly we can write like this also. For example, VI uh, credential crd credential, okay, crd dot sh file I am giving. See how to read username, password, dollar exclamation mark slash bin slash bash. Okay, now so read hyphen p prompt message. So read hyphen p, and so enter user name. Okay, enter username, and so username is uname, just I given variable name. Next, password read hyphen p enter password. Okay, next pw password. Okay, I'm giving a variable name is pwd. Echo. Now just I'm printing user name dollar uname uname and echo password dollar pwd. Okay, now see here. Anyone any doubt guys here? Just I read the username, I print the username. Just I read the password, I print the password. Now escape colon x, escape colon x slash bin slash bash and cre.sh username. Okay, so username I am giving. Now see here, password also I am giving Anil. Now see here, we can see password also, right? Suppose if you want to hide the password, see I am entering the password and everyone one can see, right? I don't want like that. Suppose if you want to hide the password, generally password means it will print star, right? Okay, we cannot see even ATM card anywhere. If you type password means they are hiding, right? If everyone see password means so there is no security, right? Password means we need to hide the data. We need to hide. So we need to print different way. So how to do like that? So now that case there is one more we can pass hyphen s. Hyphen s is nothing but hyphen s is nothing but hide the data. See here it hides input on the screen, only screen it will hide the only only screen we can hide the screen. So it provided by end user, whichever data user is providing that data if you want to hide, that case we can use so that case we can use hyphen s, we can use hyphen p also. Escape colon x. Now observe here, clear the screen data. So now I am passing username. Now see here password. Earlier if we type anything directly we can see, right? Now we cannot see. See here it will print. Now I printing. See here. Now while typing we cannot see any. While typing we cannot see anything. So directly now only printing time it will come your password. So that case we can use hyphen s. Hyphen s is nothing but on the screen if you want to hide input data, if you want to hide input data, so we can use hyphen s. So this is the prompt message. This is the hide input data. Hide input data. I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt? Hello, clear Ahmad?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, so that is very simple. Hyphen s means hide data, input data. So whatever data you are passing, if you want to hide in the screen, so if you want to hide in the screen, that case we should go for hyphen s. Hyphen s means hide the input data. Prompt message means hyphen p. That's it. Okay. Now that's it. So now these all are the example how we can give any student information, how to read that data and all. So everything we can write. So multiple echo statements we can print it. See here email address same whatever you want we can read it. So here concept is only we need to remember. So this only read. Okay. So what is the purpose of read? If you want to read data dynamically, so that case we can use a read keyword and we can use a prompt message hyphen p. If you want to hide any data, that case we can use a hyphen s. That's it. Remaining story same only. Just read the data, print the data. Read the data, printing the data on the screen. That's it. So now come to here. Now come to here. So now we'll see there is some operators. So most of the people right operators. In this is a total related to mathematics only. So I hope everyone know what is plus addition, what is minus subtraction, star represents multiplication, slash represents division. This is the modulo operator. This is the modulo operator. Clear? So modulo operator. These are the related to related to mass only. Correct? Plus minus, what is plus what is minus and all, what is plus what is minus and all, This is the only mathematics related. Plus means I hope everyone know addition, minus means subtraction, star means multiplication, division, modulo. But same way, if we come to there is some numeric comparison operators. So if you want to check which is greater than, which is less than, so these are the main. Suppose if you want to compare, right? For example, this is the a. This is for example here I am giving a value 10. So a value 10, b value 20. B value I am passing 20. So sorry, b value I am passing 20. So a greater than b. A greater than b. So what is this guys? A which is big? A big or b big? This is true or false in this case? Anyone? A equal to 10, b equal to 20, a greater than b. This is a true or false? True or false? A greater than B means, based on this value, tell me anyone. A greater than B means this is true or false?
False. False.
False. So greater than means ఇప్పుడు B కన్నా A పెద్దదా? No, right? This is a false only. Correct? Okay. So for example, B greater than, suppose A less than B. In this case,
True.
true. So B కన్నా A చిన్నదా? Yes, true. These are the same mathematical logic, right? But how to compare? This is a mathematics in maths level, but how to compare in script. So we need to remember that is the we need to remember this numeric comparison operator. This is the, if you understand this one only, anywhere if you see we can easily understand, otherwise we cannot understand in script level. So these are the important. So same only, but how to use in script, if you want to compare, if you want to compare greater than, less than. So here hyphen gt means greater than, hyphen g means greater than or equal to, lt means less than, same, lt means less than. Now here we are using, right? So here greater than means this is the symbol. Okay, this is the symbol. And mass, greater than or equal to, you know, right? This is the greater than or equal to. In script level we are using like this. Okay, greater than or equal to. Now same way, now if you want to less than, less than means what is the symbol? This is the less than. Correct? Less than. If you want to check less than or equal to, mass, less than or equal to, this is the less than or equal to. So how we are using? This is the, in script, in shell scripting we are using hyphen le, less than equal to. Equal to, equal to, you know, right? What is equal to? Correct? And not equal to, not equal to means, yeah, not equal to. So how we are, wait, so not equal to, not equal to. Now got it? Now so these are the, you know, I hope everyone know, these are the mass related. Greater than, greater than or equal to, less than, less than or equal to, not equal to. But how to compare, how to use in script it won't understand, shell scripting it won't understand these symbols directly. So in shell scripting, if you want to compare, if you want to check whether greater than, less than, or whether less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, or whether equal to, not equal to, so we need to understand this hyphen ge. Gt means greater than, hyphen ge greater than or equal to. What is less than? Lt, hyphen lt. So hyphen lt means less than. What is hyphen le? Less than or equal to. Equal to, not equal to. Hyphen ne means not equal to. Hyphen eq means equal. I hope clear guys. Anyone any doubt? If you understand this one, that is nothing. Very simple only. Anyone any doubt here? So this is the greater than. If anywhere if we see in real time also, if anywhere if we see hyphen gt, oh this is the greater than. If anywhere if we see hyphen ge greater than or equal to, hyphen lt less than, hyphen le less than or equal to, EQ means equal, equal. Not equal to means hyphen NE, not equal to. So EQ means equal. I hope you got it right. So anyone, any doubt guys here? Still clear, Hemant? What Anil? Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is, if you understand this, nothing, very simple only. Now if you write any simple, if you write anything, we can easily understand. Now see here, I am see here, just we can easily understand how it will work. These are the programs only for understanding. Now I'm comparing. I need to check. These are our example only. Where is this? They didn't write anything. Greater than, less than. Maybe somewhere updated. Okay. If you are not available, we can write something. Okay. Now we can easily understand. This is nothing. For example, see here VI, VI. So that is the VI operator dot sh file. Okay. Insert ash slash bin bash. Okay. Now read hyphen p. Okay. Enter a value. For example, a value. Just I given variable name is a. Read hyphen p. Enter and enter b value. So here a is the variable name, b is the value. Now if you want to print echo, what is the a value? Dollar. This is up to, I hope everyone understand. Correct? Echo b value. So dollar b. Now, so this is the same. So read hyphen p, prompt message, enter a value, whichever data you are passing, it is stored into the a, and enter read p, enter b value. This is a variable name b. We are passing some value, it is stored into the b. Just I am printing. Just I am printing. Now, so now what is this? So if you want to operate this, right, press greater than, less than or equal to. So there is a some conditions we need to use. So directly we cannot check, right? We need to use some conditions. So how to use that condition? There is some conditional statement available. See here, this is the control statement. These are the control statements. So these are the control statements. Don't panic. These are very simple only. If you understand concept, nothing. So these are the control statements. In control statements, mostly we are using these operators. So in control statement only, we are going to use this and all. We are going to use less than, greater than, or equal to. So how? We need to check, right? We need to check whether it is true or false. Here I am using something, right? So how can I check? This is a condition. This is a simple condition. If A greater than B, so what is happening? We want to do. If A less than B, what we need to do? So we need to first understand control statements. If we come to control statements, there is a if statement, case statement, while loop statement, for loop statement, until statement, break, continue, exit. These all are the very simple only. But anywhere, if you see somewhere, we can easily understand. Okay. So if means so simple if statement. There is if also four types. Simple if statement, if else statement, nested statement, ladder if statement. So first we will see simple if statement. This is the syntax, guys. Simple if statement means if condition then action, and if started here, right? Fi means reverse. If closed here, the condition started here and the condition ended here. If condition is true, then only the action will be executed. If condition is false, it won't do anything. If won't do anything. Got it? This is the simple if statement. If condition, if condition, if condition is true, then this is the syntax. If condition, so this is the syntax. Then action. If condition is true, this statement will be executed. And so if started here, fi means if ended here. That's it. Clear? Now same thing I am going to write here. For example, here if anyway directly I'm come to here program. See here if if So how to write this and all? So already we given many example. That's based on this. Just we can check it. Okay. So now I given two variables, right? Now, so I given two variables. Now see here, dollar. Where is dollar A? Okay, dollar A. I want to check if A greater than B. What is the script level we are using this one, or what is the alternative here? I want to check greater than. What you need to do is hyphen. See here, condition. What I need to use?
hyphen
GT,
GT.
GT greater than hyphen GT. Now if you somewhere if we see hyphen GT means greater than dollar dollar B. B is variable name. That's it.
B.
B. Now then I need to write something. Echo A is big. Just I'm giving something. That's it. Now how to close if statement? If started here. How to close if statement? Reverse. If started here, if you want to close the
F5.
F5, that's it. Very simple. That is the syntax. They implemented like this only. We need to follow same syntax. So if started here, I am using, I am using, okay, bracket, open bracket, and a value. I read the a value, and so GT means greater than, and b value. I read the b value. So for example, just assume a value 10 or a value 20. So now if we come to here, so if here a value I passing 20 and b value I pass 10. Now what is this condition? If okay, so here 20 greater than actual meaning mass level, okay, 10, okay, then this is the syntax, right? Then here echo which is big, a is big, a is big, I written. That's it. F Fi, that's it. See here, this is the, so here a means a value. I read a value here, a value coming here, b value coming here, 20 greater than 10. True or false? If condition is true, the action will be executed. If condition is false, it won't execute. That's it. Very simple. If condition is true, if condition is true, this is the action. Actually, this is the echo statement. Whatever we want, we can implement here. So for your understanding purpose, here I written. So see if this is the condition A greater than B, then this is the action. Action means what you need to do, which action you want to perform, which action you want to execute. So that is up to you. Whatever you want, we can write. Whatever you want, we can write. I written here. So echo A is big. That's it. F5. Close the if statement. So anyone any doubt guys here? Clear? So GT means greater than. Greater than equal to means hyphen GE. LT means less than. Hyphen LE means less than or equal to. That is common name, same. But that is mass we are using symbol, right? Here it won't allow. We need to give this in a numeric part. This is now a numeric format only. Next, let me run. Now see here, clear the screen. Now, so what is the file name? ls. What is the file name? Operator, right? So slash bin slash bash and operator, okay, dot sh. Now see here, enter a value. I am passing a equal to 10. Enter b value. I am passing 10. Sorry, a value 20, b value 10. Now 20 greater than 10. True or false?
True.
True. True means action will execute. See here, a is big. Now got it. So here a value. Dollar $a means whichever value you are passing, it is coming. You read the data. Dollar $b means this is the b value, right? And it is coming b. Now what is c? A greater than b. That is means 20 greater than 10. True or false? True. for example, second time I am executing. Now see here, A value I given 10, B value I given 20. Now tell me, A 10 greater than 20, true or false? 10 greater than
False.
false. False means now action will be executed or not. So if condition is false, they don't write. So if condition is false, if condition is false, ఇప్పుడు కండిషన్ ఫాల్స్ అయింది అనుకో, ఇది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుందా అవదా? దిస్ ఈజ్ ద యాక్షన్. ఇట్ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఇట్ వోంట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. If condition is true only, the action will be executed. If condition is false, it won't execute this action. Now got it? Now try here. Now if a type means I am not getting anything. See here. Clear, Hemant?
Yes,
Now
sir.
see here. If condition is true, the action will be executed. If condition is true, the action is executed. If condition false అయింది, 10 greater than 20, condition is false, directly it will close and the loop, it will come outside the loop. So here if statement started here, if statement ended here. If condition is true, it will go to inside the loop, it will execute the action. If condition is false, directly it will exit from the if statement. That's it. Now, no, sir, if condition is false also, I want to do some action. I want to perform some action. So that case, there is one more condition also there. Simple if else statement. This is if statement already you know. Simple if statement. If else statement, else means if condition is false, what you need to do? Now got it? See here, if condition is false and we need to use else statement. We need to use else statement. Now I am going to update same thing. See here. Now go to here, vi operator dot sh file. Now see here, if condition is true, the action will perform. Suppose if condition is false, what we need to do? See here, we need to use what is the syntax? Else. Okay, echo. If condition is false means B is big. Got it? That's it. This is the this is the else statement. This is the if else statement. If condition is false, what we need to do? This is the action here. If condition is true, this statement will be executed. If condition is true, this statement will be executed. If condition is false, now it will go to else part. Else means ఇది satisfy కాకపోతే. If condition is not satisfied, now it will go to else part. What is the action? Here I written something. This is the action. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Just this is the action. Now see here, echo B is big. Now see here, escape colon X. Now I am executing. Now see here. Here I am using A equal to 100, B equal to 50. First scenario. Condition is false. 100 greater than 50. Yes, true. True means A is big. That's it. Now again I am running same and again I am running same. Now I am giving A value equal to 50. Now B value 100. Now 50 greater than 100. True or false? True or false? 50 greater than 10. True or false? Is it true na false? Anyone? True or false? 50 greater than 100. Hello? Am I audible? This is true or false?
False.
True or false? Just I am expecting true or
False.
false. ఆ కండిషన్ ట్రూ అవుతుందా ఫాల్స్ అవుతుందా? ఇవన్నీ సింపుల్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఓన్లీ రైట్. థర్డ్ క్లాస్ ఫోర్త్ క్లాస్లో వస్తాయి మనకి. ట్రూ ఆర్
False.
ఫాల్స్. ఫాల్స్ కాబట్టి నౌ గో టు ఎల్స్ పార్ట్ రైట్. నౌ బి ఈజ్ బిగ్. నౌ సీ హియర్ బి ఈజ్ బిగ్. డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ హియర్. Now see here. Here I am giving A equal to 50. Now A value it is coming 50. Now B value it is coming 100. Okay. Now 50 greater than 100. True or false? False. If condition is false, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది కసరు? Go to else part. It will go to else. That is the if else, right? If condition is true, it will go to first statement. If condition is false, now go to else part. Else లో నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? Echo B is big అని రాశాను. Now we are getting output. See here, B is big. I hope you got it right. Clear? Anyone any doubt? So in real time also, if anywhere, if you want to compare anything, if you want to compare anything, so that case mostly we are using these are the operators. So greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or not equal to, or equal to, so whatever you want. So that is based on requirement, so we can use this is, but try to understand, we need to understand basic. This is a basic. In maths, we are using plus means addition, my subtraction, division same way. In so maths, we are using greater than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. So here, so in script directly, if you use greater than means it is saying so it cannot identify. It is not an internal external. Like this, it will get one error message. But script level, script is shell scripting understanding only this format, hyphen gt greater than. If somewhere if you want to use greater than equal. Now in this case, now see here. Now I am executing same a value. Sorry. Now I am running a value. I am giving 50. B value also again I am giving 50. In this case, tell me anyone. Condition is true or false. 50 greater than 50. True or false? Just I am expecting true or false. మీకు ట్రూ అవుతుందా ఫాల్స్ అవుతుందా? 50 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 50.
False.
False.
So 50 greater than 50. Got it? 50 greater than 50 means false only. Correct? Not equal to, right? So now in this case what you need to do? Now 100% is coming, B is big only. But B is not a big, right? So how to see update? Now in this case VI now is so in at that case suppose if greater than or equal to, so in this case what you need to do? So if you want to see something, where is cursor? Okay, now see here, then now go to here. So now I am using greater than equal to, greater than e, right? Ge, what is the ge means? Greater than. So that case we need to use so this one only, that case we need to use this one only. But we need to add one more else also, one more else also we need to add. So even if you 50 greater than or equal to 50 means the condition is true only. True means it will come a is big, a is big, but a is not big, right? Both are same only, right? So we need to update based on your script. So that case we need to use greater than or equal to, that is equal to. So that is the greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So this is the two involved here, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So that case mostly we go for greater than or equal to. So now that case we need to use this statement. See here, if condition is then, if condition and else we can. So this is the nested if. Nested if means multiple if conditions. If you want to, we can write. So multiple if conditions. If multiple if conditions. So multiple if conditions. Okay. Ladder also. Ladder means you know, right? Like ladder. See else if, then else if we can add multiple if else statement. If else statement. Now see here how it will work. A greater than B, then L, how it will work. Now see here, equal to. Both numbers are equal. Now else we need to add one more if statement. Now see here, right? So if I am going to add same equal to, right? Equal to, greater than or equal to anything. So if both are equal, we need to update equal only. So if both are equal means here equal, EQ, right? EQ. If A greater than A equal to B, both are equal. A and B value both are equal. We can whatever we want. This is the action. We can write anything. If true condition means A and B values. Okay. So if both are, suppose if less than greater than means how to check? So we need to add one more if statement. See here, this is the if L, this is the nested if statement. We can add nested if statement. Okay. Now see here, this is one more. So ELF means so this is the nested. We can whatever we want we can follow. So now I am using same command. Then and we can write whatever you want. That's it. Now see here. Then okay. EL. This is the syntax, guys. EL ELF else if and that is the ELF same dollar $a, there is the dollar $a, and so greater than GE, and so dollar $b, that's it. Else see here, and so A value is big here. This is not A is big, A is big, and here then echo both are same. Whatever you want, that is your wish. Both are same. Both are same. Okay. We can whatever you want, we can write. That is only. Else, if A greater than GT, right? A greater than B. A is big. Else B is big. This is nothing but so nested if statement. This is the nested if. See here. First it is checking this. If for example 2010 2010 or so 2020, if I am giving A value 20, B value 20, see 20 equal to 20, true or false? Anyone? 20 equal to 20, true or false? I am giving A
True,
value
sir.
20, true. True means this statement will be executed. Now I am giving 20 10. Now 20 grad equal to 10, true or false?
False.
False. Now, so that cursor go to else part. Else, right? This is the nested if nested statement, right? Nested if statement. Now it will come to here. This is the false means it won't go to this action. False means it will go to next if. Now 20 greater than 10. True or false? True. True means A is big. A is big. Correct? A is big. A is big. Okay. Now just assume. Now I am giving 10 or 20. Now first checking 10 equal to 20, true or false? 10 equal to
False.
false. Now that go it won't go action statement. Now it will come to next if statement.
false,
Now 10 greater than 20, true or false?
False.
False. Again it will go to else part. It won't go this action. Now it is printing B is big. That's it. Logic is simple only, but try to understand. These are very basics only. Just try to understand. Now same thing, and so I am using slash bin bash. Now see here, first I am giving 20, B value also 20, both are equal. What is happening? Something is missing. Operator SS error unexpected. What line number 14? Syntax error near unexpected token. Else if we okay if we started here. That's it. Now go to our also VA. Anything missing here? Check it. VA space. Anything missing, guys? If then unexpected line number 14. Escape colon set nu. Line number 14. So here, so if else, what missing, guys? 14 means that is 14 is the problem. It won't go to 14th line. There is problem before. Else if, sorry, we are missing something. So what we missed means, see here, we are missing syntax, right? We are missing syntax. Then, correct? Then is missing. That is the syntax, right? So we missed that one. Escape colon x. Okay. Now see here, a value 20, b value also 20. 20. Now in this case, first statement, both are equal. A comma b values both are same. Now I am executing same command. Now see here. Now a value 20 and so b value 10. So first statement false. It will go to 20 greater than 10. True. B is big. Sorry, a is big. Here also something missing. What is missing? A value operator line number 12. Command not found. Something missing. Where? So what is missing? Just check it. 12 else then a greater than or equal to b equal to eq, right? Echo this is okay, correct. Else if what we are missing, if started here, else if started, if ended here only, then it is that is symbol only. Syntax correct only, right? A else if
Second LF లో square bracket space is mandatory.
is
Else if after square bracket,
there is
then you
space,
need to provide
here
space.
space also missing. First we given space, right? Here here correct only, correct. Here we are missing space. Now got it. Now see here, that is the problem. Escape colon x. Now go to clear the screen. Now go to here. Now sh. Now I'm using 20 equal, already we checked. Now 20, now 10. Now a greater than b. So 20 greater than 10. True. A is big. Now go to here and now I'm using a value 10 and b value 20. Now first statement. First statement means 20, 10 equal to 20, false. Now it will go to else if statement. 10 greater than 20, 10 greater than 20, false. Now we'll go to else part. So b is big. Now see here, b is big. Got it, guys? What
Yes, sir.
happened? Clear. So that this, but here syntax wise we need to follow spaces and all, otherwise it won't work. Already here we have multiple examples. Just if we have time, just go through one by one. Okay, any one or two we can easily get. So now simply we cover what is simple if statement. We cover simple if statement, only one action. Else means if condition is false, else part. What is how to go next part also, and also we check nested if also. Now next class we'll see ladder if and how to see remaining continuation and all. Okay. So that's it from my side.